touch at our feet. Heat on our skin, summer's beat. Surfboards in our hands, we ride the tide. Underneath the palm trees, we feel alive. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight.
Hi everyone, good morning. Today is Saturday and I'm just trying to start off this vlog. How you guys doing? Have you been? Lovely subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. A big hug to all of you guys that keep watching my videos. Okay, today is Saturday and I just had breakfast, akara, and I'm about to have my tea. And I'm taking the kids to go and see some friends of theirs. I don't know if I'll be able to cover that, but that's what I have planned for today, and I'll see you guys as the vlog goes along. Bye.
The only one I'm texting late is you. The only one I'm rolling with is you. Babe, you got that energy. I wanna know it deeper. I wanna feel you deeper. Baby, it's you. Pulling up on you in a TT, cruising around rooftop down. Beep beep, figure eight as a brown, so sweet. We can break all the rules, be the rebels you want. Walk on the top.
Hi everyone, good morning. Wait, I look cuckoo. Good morning everyone, how are you doing? It's the start of a new week. Today is Monday. I wish you guys a blessed week. So I just literally took out my cornrows. I want to go and do my hair today. I actually went, I can't see myself. What am I going to? So I actually went out on Saturday. I wanted to have I just wanted to fix my nails, a little bit of self-love. I wanted to fix my nails because I don't know if you guys know this about me or if I've shared this here before, but I'm obsessed with fixing nails. No matter how bad situations are, even if the world is ending, once my nails are fixed, I feel like everything is going to be okay. I don't know if any other person here experiences that. The moment my nail is done, once I look at those nails, I know for a fact that everything is going to be fine. It's a crazy thing, but it's just what it is for me, and it has been like that like since forever, as long as I can remember. So I went to go have some self-care and fix my nails, just because I always do my nails in the house, but I wanted something different. I didn't want to be the one doing it for myself. I just have these stick-on nails. I buy them a lot and keep, so I just use glue and stick it on. But I actually wanted like proper nails done. I went there. The video is attached here. I wasn't able to because there were a lot of people in line and it was only one person doing it. So anyway, that's that. So today I'm actually going to do the nails today, this morning, and I want to see if I can do my, it's been ages I did my hair, so I want to see, the weather is really hot. I want to see if I can get my hair done so that I look a little bit decent and I don't look like my problems, I don't look like what I'm going through. So that's that. So I hope to carry you guys along. I hope I will, because I'll be going to my baby and of course she's going to disturb me, but I'll get a shot or two in. If it doesn't go in with this video, you'll definitely see it in my next video. All right, bye.
Round and round and round. I can't play these games with you no more. To think it was me that walked away, thinking about the mess that I made. Won't you say my name and take it for granted? If I had the chance, you know I would. If I had a chance, you know I would. If I had the chance, you know I would. If I had a chance, you know I would. Sleeping pills don't knock me out.
I just thought I'll quickly throw this in. Omo, when you're keeping natural hair and your hair starts to be able to pack into one, I don't know who can relate, but there's this joy that comes with it. See what postpartum is doing to my hair? But I'll be fine. I'll be fine. My hair can hold one now, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh. And also, I just felt I should say it here. How could I even forget this? Guys, I'm at 10,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, I'm so happy. I woke up this morning and I saw I was at 10,000. I gave myself a goal that I wanted to have 10,000 subscribers before the month of June finished, and oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That's a huge milestone for me. Greater heights from here, I pray. Greater heights from here. Ooh, ooh. And to everybody watching me, thank you guys for liking my video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for your love and support. I do not take it for granted at all. I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you.
My phone when I